Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can view the Mailchimp charts in here. So first you're gonna do is just open your Mailchimp. And once you're here, you just have to navigate over to the side, at the left side. So in here, you will see the analytics. So what you're gonna do is just click on that one. So once you click on that one, you will see here the marketing dashboard. So you have here the total sends, the open rate, clicks rate, and unsubscribe rate. So if you go over to the bottom, if you scroll down, you will also see the charts of the conversion. So in here you can see the conversion funnel, the conversions over time. So that's the chart. And if you go over to the bottom, or if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, you will also see the delivery charts. So in here, you can see the delivery details, the email sent, deliveries, the bounces, the unsubscribed, and stuff like that. So here are the charts in the Mailchimp. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.